So over here, you can see that I have this generated document right here. And let's say I want to go ahead and edit this out. So first of all, let's say I want to go ahead and rename out the document. In that case, you can simply go around over here on the top where you see the file name already. So you can go ahead and just simply retype out whatever you want. So I'm just going to go around and let's say, for example, type in online education right here. Apart from that, around over here, you can see that this is what you have. This is the content that has been generated, and you can actually go around over here and make changes as you like. Let's say, for example, around over here, you can see that you can actually go ahead and change out the size of the title right here. You can go ahead right here and let's say, for example, bold this out right here, just like this. But let's say I don't want the changes, I want to revert back. And in that case, you can actually go ahead and use Control Z on your keyboard or use the undo button. You also have an option for redo button if you want to repeat that out right here. But if you were to undo and make some changes, then the redo won't be there from that point onwards. So you need to be careful of that as well. So that is how you can go ahead and rename out the document and use undo and redo options as necessary inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.